Well, hello again viewers, I'm still in Valencia. What an interesting place. I tell you one thing here, but you feel absolutely tiny. The buildings are massive and quite beautiful, the architecture. I've enjoyed walking about here. Let's take a wee walk. I've not been down this street yet, I've got no idea what's down here. I'm exploring new areas. I've done a few other videos where I've found some interesting stuff on the way. Maybe we'll find some interesting stuff in this video, maybe not. We'll watch till the end, you'll find out. So there's quite a lot of nice high-end shops here as well. It's just a pleasant place really, just to walk about. Check out the buildings. That's the train station we started at there. That's a beautiful building. I've done a walk in there, showing you that as well. So if you fancy a wee train to Barcelona or Zaragoza or other places, that's where you go. Wee souvenir shop over there. A bendy bus, they always give me the fear. I always think, how can they be safe? Now, when I said you feel tiny, look at the size of that building. It's pretty big, eh? Not been down all the wee side streets yet, viewers. Yet to explore. Not much down that one. A lot of nice tree-lined streets like this one. Nice place. Interesting place. And here we go. The first interesting find of the walk. I told you I've not been down this street before. And I found a place. I found in Ibiza. I've just came from Ibiza. The Hard Rock Cafe. Valencia. There we go. So, is it just a shop or have they got food as well? I think they're going to have food as well because they've got these table and chairs out as well. They've definitely got a shop. Let's continue. There's a lot of bikes in Valencia, I've noticed as well. Very busy traffic wise, but I wouldn't like to drive here, to be honest. If you've drove in Valencia before, let me know. But just in the temperature gauge over there, still 25 degrees. It's after 7 o'clock at night. Guy with the Valencia tops just came from the game. We were drawn to each in injury time and I left. The bar I was in, St Martin's Irish bar. Now, Popeyes, Louisiana Kitchen. That's the next interesting find. I've never heard of Popeyes. And they've been in, let me know. Looks like a chain. There is a lot of chain places here. I've not found yet. I'm sure I will. I've not found a wee street with a lot of line of tapas bars or tapas alley. I'm going to find that, I'm sure I am. Girl in reception at the hostel I'm staying in gave me a wee tip for a place. I'm going there later. Another beautiful building. So I've got a wee market here. Oh, I might have been down this bit earlier on actually, and I've just kind of got mixed up. This wee bit here does look a bit familiar. Oh yeah, they've got some wee festival thing going on here. They've got live music and a stage and stuff like that. Interesting outfit that guy had. So, it's a nice wee spot for pop-ups, isn't it? So inside here, see if again, they've got a wee tent here and they had a wee tech pop-up. I don't know what they were selling or doing. I can't quite work out what they're selling there. Oh, they're doing some beauty treatments. It's busy. I'm trying to get by, guys. Oh. All sorts of things are getting sold there. Something to do with electric cars, it looks like. Nobody can say Valencia lacks atmosphere. 100%. What we got over there? Very lifelike, that guy there, see it? More wee pop-up stalls here. Hope you're enjoying the videos I've done in Valencia. It's completely different to a lot of places that I've been to. It looks as if I came at the right time. We've got a concert going on here. Might need to edit this one, might get struck, we'll see. What a nice place. Good atmosphere, eh? So what we've got coming on here later on, we've got a proper band set up, a concert. Oh, you need to come back here later on, eh? It's a wee concert, it's already very busy, isn't it? So I've came at the right time, there's some sort of festival, something going on here just now. So we've got a start-up market over here. Let's head round this way. Music's loud, eh? I don't think I can speak over that. It's a good atmosphere, but got more stalls getting set up here, looks of it as well. Nice. Heading round to a bar here. It was recommended, as I said, by the lady in the hostel. I'm staying in the hostel, it's £18.95. Mixed dormitory for 8 people, viewers, not for the faint-hearted. And I'm up the top bunk. But listen, adds to the experience, doesn't it? I couldn't get anything affordable in Valencia city centre. It's quite expensive on a Saturday night. What's going on here, viewers? What is going on here? There's all sorts going on here. We've got a wee stage set up, let's go around the side. Wee stage set up. Not quite sure what's happening, but the side street there with a couple of bars and restaurants. A few beers kicking about here. Where's the bar? Not found the bar yet. Interesting. We'll head down there in a minute probably. Let's see what's up here, viewers. You still watching? Oh, too close to cat. You're still watching, thanks so much. You're helping the channel out a lot. It's getting a bit windy here. Need to get my cap on soon. Let's see what this is. A wee taberna. Interesting. Pretty busy. This wee street looks quite nice. A lot of families I've noticed in Valencia, very family orientated. This wee boy, they're playing a dance in the street. No idea where we are just now. I can see another Starbucks there, but if you're new to the channel, do me a wee favour, hit the subscribe button. You might as well. It doesn't cost anything and it'll help me out a wee bit. Just helps grow the channel, get a few more subscribers on there. There's a church bells going. Perfect. So we've got Starbucks there. I think my hostel's down to the left here somewhere, but I did get kind of lost in the way here. It's like a big circle where I'm staying. I was in the outskirts of the circle. The girl was explaining it to me, so I'm still getting my bearings. Tobacco shop down there as well. Oh, it's a wee designer shop, but they're also advertising €3, €5 and €8 stuff as well. Another wee find for you viewers. Check this out, the British flag up there. Food looks amazing in there, wait to show this yours. You can see why there's a wee queue in here, look at this. Cheesecake, oh looks amazing. Nice, eh? So interesting finding new streets. I'll just walk about and find some more. This place is pretty busy here. Locals obviously love it, looks nice. We've got a wee menu next to here. €10.90 for different stuff here as well. We've got all the drinks behind the bar in there. San Vicente, tapas. Viewers might be in here, might stop here for my dinner. So, interesting. Valencia, what do you think? What viewers, what do you think? Valencia, interesting place, isn't it? Good for a wee day trip. probably not a beach holiday week or anything like that, but very authentic Spanish feel to it, different from the places I go to. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Watch out for new videos and I'll see you on the next one. And thanks so much. If you've watched to the end, you're a superstar. You really are. Thanks, viewers.